I have the third coat of mud on here. Really came out nice. Of course, it's got to be sanded, but yeah, it came out pretty darn good. I got to fix this here. There was moisture in here, so I'm going to patch that today. Start sanding tomorrow because I got one more coat of mud to put on here. This corner, not too bad. Went pretty goodly. Yeah. That corner there came out exceptionally well. When that gets sanded down, it'll be nice. As you can see, got the gyprock up here for the game room. Oh yeah. Got all of these corners pretty good. Don't really have to worry about that corner too much. There's 2 sheets of gyprock going up here on the ceiling. But it came out well. This corner came out pretty good. So that corner is completed except for this side. I got to put one more coat of mud here. Added here as well. But yeah, that'll get sanded down once I get the third coat everywhere that I need. And then the mess of sanding. My buddy Ken should be here helping me with this, but he didn't come. But he'll come for the that's not true, folks. He was gonna come. He's been offering to come and I've been wanting to drive all that time. Yeah, that came out pretty good. Came out exceptionally well. And once it's sanded, this is all gonna look really pretty. Really nice. So yeah. Big view of the game room. Type thing. Almost done. Just gotta get the ceiling up. That wall, don't have anything with gyprock there. I should check it before I paint just to make sure there's no imperfections type deal. Clean up my mess on the table here. Yeah. Pretty good. Pretty excited. Can't wait to get down here in my dungeon game room. Oh, that's a shadow there. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's ugly now, but once all that gets sanded down, it's going to be real good in this corner. There's the update, folks.